How to add PayPal payment to Shopify. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you step by step on how to link and add PayPal payment to your Shopify store, and I will cover everything you need from creating your PayPal account and switch your account to business, and the last, how to activate your PayPal payment on your Shopify store. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify dashboard, then guys scroll to the bottom and hit on settings. Then I will show you guys the easy method to link and add your PayPal payment to your Shopify store. Then go directly to payment section on the left. First guys, before adding or linking or activating your PayPal payment, first you need to buy a plan, because you will not be able to add or activate your PayPal payment if you are using the free trial on Shopify. Then make sure to buy the basic plan or any plan that you want. Then guys, you will have access to buy or to link to activate your PayPal payment on Shopify. Then guys, go back and hit on PayPal payment, then go and hit on activate PayPal. Then first guys, go back and open your PayPal account. As you see guys, this is the personal PayPal account. Then before adding or linking your PayPal to Shopify, first guys, you need to switch your personal account to business account. Then guys, just go to settings on the top and or hit the settings icon. Then guys, scroll directly to unlock new features like express checkout. Then hit on upgrade to business account. Then it will tell us about your business. Then for example individual, then hit on continue. Then you need a business account. To create a business account, open a separate or upgrade an existing. Just hit on upgrade your existing account. Then enter your business contact information on your switch. Then the phone number. Then hit on agree and upgrade your account. As you see guys, it's very easy to upgrade your personal account to business. As you see guys, complete your profile to start using PayPal. Then hit on next. Then hit on next. Then hit on first one. Then hit on next. Hit on next. Then hit on product. Then go directly to what you will sell on service offer. Product. Direct product store. Then hit on next. Also business website. Just go back and open your Shopify dashboard, and for example open your website. Then hit on online store and copy your website and paste it. Then hit on next. As you see guys, you are all set. Go to homepage. Now guys, your PayPal account was switched successfully to business. Then guys, go back to your Shopify store. Then hit again on settings. Then go directly to payment section. Then hit on activate PayPal. Then hit on activate on the top. Then please wait while to perform security check. Now guys, you need to add your email address. This is the email address. Sorry. Hit enter. Then wait a few seconds to add your PayPal payment to your Shopify. Now guys, this is confirm information to help your account is secure. Then hit on you also need give permission. Then hit on next. It's very easy to. Now guys, describe your business, product and website optional. Then product or service keyword, for example clothing or family clothing store. Then hit on next. Then hit on submit. As you see guys, thank you for signing up. Then go back to Shopify. Now your PayPal payment was added successfully to your Shopify store. As you see guys, it was active. Then you can easily now using PayPal for the payment section. As you see guys, this is the easy method to add or link your PayPal payment to Shopify without no issue. But first guys, you need to buy a plan, and the second, you need to switch your personal account to business account. Then on the last, go to activate your PayPal payment or PayPal account on Shopify. As you see guys, this is the easy method without no issue. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.